Welcome to Thailand, where geographical challenges intersect with vibrant industries, creating unique hurdles for transportation and logistics. EDDY Pump offers innovative solutions tailored to Thailand's major sectors, navigating diverse landscapes with cutting-edge technology. Opt for EDDY Pump rentals for practical and cost-effective solutions, empowering industries in agriculture, manufacturing, electronics, machinery, metals. Explore our products designed to meet Thailand's industrial needs. Efficient pumps and dredging equipment are crucial for economic growth, infrastructure development, and environmental conservation in Thailand's dynamic landscape. They optimize production processes, support flood prevention efforts, and contribute to sustainable practices. Our solutions ensure optimal material transfer, infrastructure maintenance, and environmental preservation. With strategic locations across Thailand, EDDY Pump is ready to meet industrial needs. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.